Hi, today we're going to be making mahi, tamarind and mango pulled chicken tacos with a pineapple and mango salsa. It's a really lovely fresh summery dinner dish and it's super easy to make as well. So for our tacos we're going to need some small tortilla wraps, tamarind and mango sauce, 2 chicken breasts which we're going to put in an oven-proof dish and set aside for later. To garnish we're going to use some radishes and baby jam. But first of all, we need to make our salsa, which is going to go in the fridge for around an hour to release all the flavour. So for our salsa, we need around 100 grams of pineapple, 100 grams of mango, half a red onion, half a red pepper, half a green chilli, and some fresh coriander. Dice all the ingredients up for a nice chunky texture, then mix together and chill. So when your salsa's been in the fridge for just over half an hour, it's time to get the chicken in the oven. So preheat it to around 180 degrees and we're going to pop this in for about 20 minutes. Then we're going to grab 2 forks and we're going to really shred that chicken up so it's got that nice pulled texture. Once you've shredded your chicken, it's time to add a really generous helping of our sauce. And we're going to mix that all together and pop it back in the oven for about 7 or 8 minutes. So your chicken's almost cooked. It's time to dice up some lettuce and radish, get your salsa out and get ready to serve. Pack those up high, tacos are better fully loaded. So there we have your tamarind and mango pulled chicken tacos with a pineapple and mango salsa.